Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forrest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have some cases from CASTiFY for your Pixel 7 Pro. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for the Pixel 7 Pro. I need to shout out CASTiFY for sending that big package that y'all seen in the intro. They sent me 3 different cases for the Pixel 7 Pro and 2 cases for the Pixel 7, which will be in a different video. If you want to pick up these cases and save 15%, you can go to CASTiFY.com/ForbesTech and save 15% on any case that they have on their website. You also, when you go to that website, you will see some of my favorite cases, which is, look at that, if y'all want to support the channel, the FTR case, this is just a clear impact case, and then you have the fragile green case, which is pretty cool. But we'll review these cases, make sure everything lines up, how does it fit, you know, the things that you expect when you see a case video. Now, CASTiFY has been around for a while now, and I'm glad that I started using them because there are some of my favorite cases out there, and I love how you can customize your own case. So again, it's CASTiFY.com/ForbesTech, and you can save 15%. This is their impact case. This one looks like it's clear and has some protective on there, but let's start with the fragile one. That, I mean, don't that case look cool? They make some cool looking cases. Let's see. Let's peel all these little stickers off. All right, so I got all the stickers off there. Bam. It's just, this is gonna look cool. Don't you love that design? Look at the camera cutout, and you get that lip action all the way around. The cutouts at the bottom line up. The power button feels great. The volume rocker is easy to press. You do get lay down protection there and here. So when you lay it down, you don't have to worry about scratching up your beautiful display. And it has that material on the inside is for, you know, shock absorption, and make sure you protect your case. Your phone. You have the microphone at the top there. You do have some branding around the camera lens or camera cutout. I don't know what y'all think. I think this one looks cool. I might rock this one for a few days. Now the fit on these cases has always been good. Like, I can't even, yeah. Now, does it add bulk? No, it does not add bulk. It gets some grip on the sides too. And it's just a cool looking case. Doesn't show off the beauty so much. I can see I have a black phone in there, but doesn't show off the beauty, but you want to protect your phone. This one is definitely a nice case. Let's see if you can wireless charge. I don't think we'll have a problem. And you can wireless charge, no problem there either. So yeah, this one is definitely a nice one. Let's move on to the next one. All right, so this one is not clear. I thought it was clear, but I like the orange insides there for that shock absorption technology on there. And then the back is a hard plastic. But let's see how this one fits. So this one won't show off the beauty either, but you get that same type of lip action here and here. The camera cutout is good too. All the holes line up perfectly. The power button is easy to press. Same with the volume rockers, it's not hard at all. Now this one gives you a little bit more grip too. I like how the corners are grippy here, but you get that same, look, the cutout there also line up, but you get that same drop protection. Best thing, it says that this case is made from 68% or 65% recycled material. So if you care about the environment, go with CasTiFY. Now in the overall fit again, my phone is bright. That display is bright on here, y'all. The overall fit is good. Man. Again, not much bulk added to your phone. So the phone is very big because it is a Pixel 7 Pro. But it's good to know that you're not adding much bulk to your phone at all. Can you wireless charge? Again, I don't think it will be an issue. And there you go. You can wireless charge without any issues. But let me move on to the next case and we keep this video going. Alright, so this is the last case, FTR. If you want to support the channel, CASTiFY.com/ForbesTech. And maybe you can even order your FTR case. Look, man, I am going to be rocking this one. The FTR is like off the case too, so it gives you some grip. Same thing with the camera lens there. You get some protection. I mean, I wouldn't slam my phone down. You get the same type of lip action there. Also, the holes line up. Even the microphone there. The power button is easy to press. Same thing with the volume rockers. So the cases are pretty much the same, but you get different designs there. What y'all think about that? I mean, this looks so nice. I love this design. Again, y'all let me know which one y'all want. Pick up. I will have the links in the description. But let's see, the overall fit is the same. Top and bottom. Can you wireless charge? You can wireless charge with no issues either. So the great thing about these cases, they fit really well. They don't add bulk to them. They also feel really like it's not going to slip out of your hands while you're holding your phone, which is very important. And if you happen to drop it, it will protect your phone. So I will have the links in the description. Which one was your favorite? That one? Maybe you want just the matte black finish case, not showing off the beauty. Or maybe you like that design. There are so many designs on their website. Go pick one out. Support the channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 7 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.